Hi guys, welcome back to our mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Duckworth Jr., your math tutor. I am an instructor of mathematics at the University of Liberia. So in this lesson, we want to continue from question 5 because in previous lesson, we did question 1 to question 4. So let's now solve question 5, 6, and 7. So question 5 says f of x is equals to e raised to the power minus x over x. So for this problem, we can decide to use the quotient rule because it has one function in the numerator being divided by another function within the denominator. We can decide to use the product rule, the quotient rule, or we can rewrite this expression. That if we send this x in the numerator and use the product rule. So let's use the quotient rule. So we have f prime of x is equals, the quotient rule says, hold the denominator x and differentiate the numerator. So the derivative of e is just e raised to the power minus x times the derivative of the power, which is just minus 1. Minus, so in the quotient rule, we have a negative sign. We hold the numerator now, e raised to the power minus x, and differentiate x, we get 1. All divided by this denominator all squared. So we just simplify. We have negative x e raised to the power minus x minus e raised to the power minus x all over x squared. So e raised to the power minus x is in both terms. So we can factor out negative e raised to the power minus x. And then we'll be left with x. Now we already factored out the negative. So negative times this negative is positive. So this is positive 1 divided by x squared. So this is our final answer. Or we can decide to reciprocate this e raised to the power negative x so that we have a positive x. So we can have x plus 1 all over x squared e raised to the power positive x. So we do the next problem. So question 6, we have f of x is equals e raised to the power 6x minus 7x squared minus 1. So again, an exponential function, to find its derivative, f prime of x is just equal to e raised to the power 6x minus 7x squared minus 1. And then we differentiate the power. So the derivative of 6x is just 6. The derivative of 7x squared, 2 times 7 is 14. X, subtract 1 from the power is just 1. And the derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So this 6 minus this 14, right? 6 and 14, we can factor out something there, or we just leave it as it is. But let's factor out. So this entire factor is coming behind this e. So we factor out 2 because 2 is common to the both of them. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 14 7 times. E raised to the power 6x minus 7x squared minus 1. So this is our answer. So we'll do the next question, question 7. F of x is equal to e raised to the power 3x minus 4 all squared. So f prime of x, again, we rewrite it, e raised to the power 3x minus 4 raised to the second power times the derivative of this entire power. So to differentiate this power, we drop this 2. We rewrite 3x minus 4, and then we differentiate inside. The derivative of 3x is just 3, and the derivative of 4 is 0. So finally, we can have f prime of x is equals to 3 times 2 is 6. So this is 6, 3x minus 4 times e raised to the power 3x minus 4. So this is our answer. So this is how we find the derivative of natural exponential functions. And thanks ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so that at least we get motivated to do more videos. In our next lesson, we'll look at more problems on the exponential function, especially some challenging problems. Thanks ever so much and see you in our next lesson.